Over 50? These 10 foods can reignite your spark. These 10 foods can reignite your spark. As we age, maintaining healthy circulation becomes increasingly significant for our overall well-being and quality of life. After the age of 50, many individuals may experience changes in their bodies that can affect both their physical health and emotional connections. Intimacy is not just about physical closeness. It is about energy, confidence, and feeling connected on every level. And circulation plays a major role in that. Better blood flow means more energy, better mood, and stronger overall performance. So how do you keep your circulation strong after 50? Let us talk about 10 natural foods that help you do exactly that. 1. Oysters. Oysters are rich in minerals that support healthy energy and blood flow. They help your body function better in key areas that affect intimacy. Enjoy them raw, grilled, or baked with a little lemon. They are a classic for a reason, and science backs it up. 2. Spinach. This leafy green is loaded with natural nitrates. Those help open up your blood vessels and improve circulation. More oxygen and nutrients get to where they need to go. Toss spinach into eggs, smoothies, or salads. It works fast and tastes great. 3. Garlic. Garlic supports a healthy heart and keeps your arteries flexible. It promotes smoother blood flow throughout the body. Even better, it helps reduce internal stress that can slow you down. Cook it into meals or roast it whole for flavor and health. 4. Avocados. Creamy, delicious, and packed with healthy fats. Avocados help support heart health and circulation. They also give your body fuel to stay energized and balanced. Spread it on toast, slice it into salads, or blend it into smoothies. 5. Beets. Beets are high in nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. That means improved blood flow and natural stamina. You can roast them, juice them, or slice them raw into a salad. They are earthy, vibrant, and powerful. If you are finding value so far, please subscribe for more natural tips to supercharge your health. 6. Watermelon. This refreshing fruit contains citrulline, which supports healthy circulation. It helps your body deliver oxygen and nutrients where they are needed most. Plus, it keeps you hydrated and fights inflammation. Eat it fresh, juice it, or freeze it for a cool treat. 7. Chilli peppers. Capsaicin found in chili peppers helps improve blood flow. It also gives you a natural rush of feel-good chemicals. That boost in circulation can help your whole body feel more alive. Add a little heat to your meals and feel the difference. 8. Dark chocolate. Real dark chocolate supports circulation and reduces internal stress. It is full of antioxidants that help your blood vessels stay healthy. Stick to 70% cacao or higher. A square after dinner is a simple, satisfying way to get the benefits. 9. Pomegranate. Pomegranate juice is a circulation superstar. It helps open up arteries and supports long-term heart health. Enjoy the juice, eat the seeds, or add them to salads. It is sweet, tangy, and great for daily energy. 10. Walnuts and Brazil nuts. Nuts are rich in good fats, minerals, and plant compounds that support blood flow. They also help your body maintain steady energy throughout the day. Eat a small handful a few times a week. Just keep the portions small. These pack a punch. So there you have it. 10 real foods that help men over 50 feel more energized, connected, and confident. No need for pills or strange powders, just smart eating. These are natural, proven, and easy to work into your meals. Which one of these do you already eat? Is there a new one you are going to try this week? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And check out our other videos on how to improve your health naturally.